Hello students, welcome back to English class. Students, already we completed unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay students, we completed 6 units, but in offline classes we should complete our revision till 5 units. Okay students, in classroom in classroom we completed our revision till 5 units. Students, today we are going to see these 5 units, which bits you should write in your homework notebooks and which bits write in your classwork notebooks. Today I will explain. Okay students, all of you open your textbooks and tick with the pencil. Okay, what is homework and what is classwork? All of you open your textbooks. Students, this is the first lesson, glossary and question and answers. You should write in your classwork. That's why students, here you should write here like this, classwork. Okay, and here also classwork. And next, this bit you should write in your homework notebook. This bit, and this bit and this bit, like this, draw box and write these opposite meanings and this bit, and this one also you should write in your homework notebook. And this bit students, no need to draw like this box. You should make 20 sentences in this box onwards. You should make 20 sentences and write in your homework notebook. Okay, and next, this bit, keep heading, write like this heading and write this para, and this missing words also write this bit, and don't want to write this bit. Okay, here see students, suppose you are the planning to conduct a cultural program there, no, already I wrote in on the board. Okay students, invitation card, write in your homework notebooks. And next, this is example how to organize a program. This is the example, but the imagine that you are cultural secretary of your school. Okay, prepare one script. Okay, this bit you should write in your homework notebook. Already I told and I write on the board this bit. Okay, this bit, don't write this one, write this bit. And next students, I want peace lesson, question and answers, write in your classwork. Okay, and see reading grand contest in the forest, question and answers also, question and answers and glossary, both write in your classwork. Students, all A reading, B reading, C reading lessons, question and answers and glossary you should write in your classworks. And which bits I told, write that bits in your HW. Students, compulsory you have to write in your HWs. Okay, those are not completed, please try to write. Student, this is a good chance for you, please don't neglect. Okay, this today you are right only first unit. Okay, tomorrow I will explain in second unit, but today compulsory you should write first unit, what I told classwork and homework. Okay, this bit means write this one. Okay, what I told, that all you should complete today only, you should complete, and tomorrow I will explain in next bit, I will explain in next unit. Okay students, these all first unit A reading, grammar. Okay, in this lesson B reading, C reading, grammar is not there. Okay, did you understand? First unit grammar only, This all first unit grammar, first unit A reading grammar, this all. Okay students, don't confuse which bit I said, that bit you should write in your homework notebook. Those are completed, no need. Those are not completed students, compulsory you have to complete in your classworks and HWs. Today is first unit is completed. Tomorrow I am going to revise the second unit. Okay students, those who are completed, no need to write again. Those who are not completed, that students compulsory you have to write. Thank you.